Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to solve on-screen keyboard problem on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, tap on manage apps. Now from here, just search Gboard. Now from here, tap on storage and tap on clear data. Now from here, tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just tap on clear all data and tap on OK. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on About. Now, once you tap on About, just scroll down and tap on Update Play Store. Now from here, as you can see, our Google Play Store is up to date. Tap on Understood. Now once you update your Play Store, just go back. Now from here, just search Gboard. Now from here, tap on Gboard. Now if your Gboard has a software update, just update your Gboard. Now in our case, the Gboard is up to date. Just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the Settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Now from here, tap on Languages and Input. Now from here, tap on Current Keyboard. Now from here, make sure you select Gboard. Now if the Gboard option is not available, just go back. Now from here, tap on Manage Keyboards. Now from here, make sure you turn on Gboard. And this is how you can solve the on-screen keyboard problem on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.